In a shocking incident caught on camera, a father was seen trying to stop his son's arrest by swinging an excavator at the cops. Yeah, he did that. There's no other way of saying it. A clip shared online by Vermont State Police shows the bucket of an excavator targeting the cops as they attempted to arrest the man's son. According to reports, the mother also fought the police during the arrest. The officers of Vermont Police faced a dangerous situation in Hardwick, just as they tried to take away the suspect after handcuffing him. The parents came to his defense. According to reports, the suspect was entangled in an assault and burglary case. Last week, two of our troopers found themselves in an unexpected and dangerous situation when they went to a home in Hardwick to arrest a suspect in an assault and burglary case. The suspect's parents attempted to hinder the arrest, and ultimately, the suspect's father menaced and attempted to assault the troopers using an excavator. Thankfully, the troopers were unharmed and able to arrest all the parties involved without any injuries, Vermont Police wrote on Facebook. The 52-year-old father of the man got into an excavator and recklessly maneuvered its bucket near the officers. One of the officers had to point a gun at the excavator after it nearly hit them. Fortunately, the officers were not harmed in the incident and the suspect and his parents were arrested. The father was arrested for aggravated assault on protected officials, resisting arrest and impending and reckless endangerment. The mother was issued a citation for impeding an officer.